Hey guys, so are your threads taking up too much table space? Mine are, so I want to hang them up to the wall. And I'm going to take my threads, and they do sit on the table, but it's going to be nicer to just hang it on the wall. The easiest thing I figured to do is to get these little hangers, and I'm going to put these into the back here, one on each side, and then just hang it to the wall. I have to measure and then make sure it's straight, and then it'll be up on the wall and not taking up so much space and looking cleaner. So these little guys are so easy to use. You can pick them up at Home Depot, at Ace. And I use them on the back of paintings and mirrors. And they pretty much screw into any wood piece for hanging. You can use a mini screwdriver also, but you can also screw it in by hand. So you don't really need tools, like electric tools. I'm doing this backwards, so it makes it a little bit harder. So you could see in the camera. Put it this way so you have some strength. Tight enough. Okay. So they just go in like that, and then you just hang them on the wall. Isn't that amazing? I love them so much. All right. So I'm gonna do the second one, and then I'll show you it up on the wall. Also show you how to put it up on the wall. Guys, this is really scientific here. I was just screwing this in like this, and then when I touched it, it was hot. And I'm like, why is this hot? I was just like screwing it. And I thought that was interesting. So it produced heat when I was just turning this in. Anyways, let's continue. So find your wall space and grab a pencil so you can not leave any marks on the wall. If you like where it marked. And then you make little points where you want to mark it inside the circle. But there's one more step after this. With the 2 points, we have to get a straight line. Make sure it's even. You're gonna need a leveler just to check that it's gonna be straight, because it's gonna be hanging up there and you want it to be straight. So check your 2 points. Wow, that's perfect. Okay, so I could just do my drill now. I'm going to show you what nails I use to drill into what is this called? Into drywall. So I'm going to show you guys how to hang things onto drywall. that it's secure and you're comfortable hanging things that have a heavy weight. This has been my favorite wall hanger. It has these little white they give you those little blue ones when you buy packages to hang on wall, but they're not very strong or secure. They're just not that great. These are really good. First, you're going to create a place for the nail to go. If this is so secure, then the nail goes in. And I'm going to need a drill bit, so I'll drill the hole into the wall, and then you can use a screwdriver to turn this one, put this one in, and then you add the nail after, and then you hang your item. So let's get to work. One more thing you need to do after marking the wall before you start drilling, you need to get a stud finder and make sure there's not a stud behind there, because then if you hit it, it's not going to be able to put the nail in. And so many times I went to hang something and I just went freestyle, like I am right now. You'll see, I'm praying that I'm not at a stud area, but my last project I hit the stud, so I kind of think I'm not going to hit a stud now. But first you want to use a stud finder, and if I do hit a stud, then I'll patch it up and do another. But let's see how this goes. I don't know where my stud finder is yet. I have so much to go through here in the storage garage / dance floor craft room, which it's not going to be like a storage place anymore. It's just going to be like an area for craft and my videos and for my dancing. So right now it's storage and everything's everywhere, and I can't find anything. Meaning I can't find my stud finder, and then makes my projects take a little longer. And I'm not going to run to the store because I do have a stud finder, I just don't know where it is yet. Alright. If you're just starting to use a drill bit and you don't know where to begin, or you're afraid to use them, it's a tool that just adds, it's stronger and it makes projects go faster. It has power, and it's a screwdriver, and you can drill holes before you use a screwdriver. Right now it's on screwdriver. I'm going to switch it out to the drill bit, and the drill bit just creates like the first hole before you drill. So the drill bit that I'm using right now is 3 32 inches by DeWalt, and I have used this on so many projects throughout the house for hanging up bathroom fixtures and bathroom rods. I've done pictures and my pegboard, so I recommend this for the initial drill for the wall because it's tiny, and then you go in with the point and then start drilling. So this is also going to check for the stud. If there's a stud back there, it's not going to go through. It's going to stop. And then if it goes through, then we're good to go. But if it stops, I hit a stud. I shouldn't be hitting studs. I should have my stud finder so that I could find where the stud is and not hit it. And then I won't have holes in the wall. So here goes. I'm changing out the screwdriver, just like this, and it's like a magnet here. And they have these for like girls in pink, all different fun colors now if you look on Amazon. Now I'm going to exchange it, put the drill bit in, you just put it in now, I have to tighten it. So, I mean, once you learn to use one of these things, you're going to want to hang things everywhere. It just makes things easier and works faster, and you get a more secure, more professional like wall hanging instead of like hammer and nails, which doesn't work very well. And then I like this better than those, what are they called, stickies that stick to each other with Velcro. Anyways, let me just drill the holes so you can see. And bring this closer. This is just a dry wall. It's going right. You can switch the direction by pressing the button. It doesn't matter what direction, I think so. Oh, so, oh look, something pink came out. Uh-oh. I don't know what that is, but something came out of there. But there's no stud there. So the second hole, let's get to that one. Okay, perfect. I switch out the drill bit for a screwdriver. So you can make the and tighten that in. Just so you can see them through. And I did the first part like that. I just couldn't hold the camera before because I had to hold the. Oh, see? Wow. All right, now this is how it looks. It's flush with the wall, ready to use a nail, which is beautiful. Because then now you put the nail and then you hang, and it's very strong. So I'm gonna do the second one. I'm just gonna hang it at the end. You can see. So this box comes with the nails. They do sell them without the nails. So make sure when you are looking for this product that if you look for that one, that it's has the nails included. It's going to be secure. I'm not like thinking in my mind, oh, I hope it doesn't fall down. It's very strong. I will show you up close. It's very strong. There's two. Now I'm gonna just hang the threads. It's just been taking up so much space. It looks a little bit messy, so if I hang it up, beauty. There you go. I got my threads up on the wall. So excited. I hope you learned something. How to use a drill, an electric drill. Maybe if you're scared of one. I used to always see videos and I'm like, oh, that looks scary, but not too bad. That's actually like a screwdriver that works really fast and strong, and you'll see it a lot in my videos because I've been having a lot of fun with it. And then so maybe you'll invest in a electric drill. Right. See you. Bye, ladies. Bye, friends. See you soon. Now that my threads are up on the wall, I am going to get closer to my project that I'm working on. Is making a Giselle skirt. You know, Giselle has a very peasant, soft, flowy look, costume. So I have like this old dress that I don't like how it fits or how it looks because it's really wide around the upper body, and it's like cut off at the shoulders, which I'm not wearing too much these days. So I have this like beautiful cute dress that I just don't wear because I don't like how it fits. It's just very fat around the center part, but I do love the fabric and it's very Giselle-like. So I'm going to show you guys how to turn maybe a dress that you like. I have several. I'm going to do a couple of them that you like the skirt part, but the upper body doesn't really work because around here there's like it cinches or it's fat or it's just not like the look you were going for when you bought it at the store. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this down into just the skirt, show you how to add a waistband. And it should be pretty simple to add a waistband, but just in case you want to view it and get inspired to do one on your own, I'll be making a video on that, how to turn a one piece and just take the bottom half and use the skirt part. I have so many dresses like that. So I'm going to start with this one as I'm working on a Giselle piece, and I'm going to wear the skirt, don't know the top yet, and post it in my Instagram so you guys could see the variation that I was taught in my online ballet class, which I recommend if you're interested in taking ballet. I've never taken it before. Online ballet is a great way to get a nice workout at home without having to leave the house and learn something. And I am learning a variation, which I don't have enough room here. I don't know if I'll ever have enough room here to do variations. So I rented out a studio and been practicing there. So I'm excited to share that with you guys. And I hope you like my next video. Look for it in the channel. And if it's out, well, it's not out yet because I still have to do it, but that's the next video that I'm working on. Thanks.